So yes, I love K dramas, I love C dramas, I love Hollywood series also. And after a long time, like Hollywood has released something that resembles with K drama and C drama. I'm not saying ki see everything has their own potential and stuff, but see, and the best one of the good series, it's not exactly best, but it's a book adaptation, so it has to be good. So I'm a book paglu, I am a bookworm, I read books a lot, and getting into a movie adaptation is like a win-win situation, to be honest. So I'm not talking about a random thing, it's like ha ha ha, off campus. Everyone is obsessed with off campus, and I'm one of them. To be honest, it has various reasons. First, like K dramas has that emotional touch, which I feel. See, I don't know about other people, but which I feel that somewhere Hollywood lacks it, and that's why. So this is something, my 2 cents on why did I love off campus. If the see, if you agree, let's just talk it here and let other people also understand. But this is my perspective, so let it right. Firstly, I whenever I think about that moment, whenever I think about that scene, it just gives me goosebumps. It still gives me, I can blush while I'm thinking, and also a heartache. Like my heart aches when that scene happens, basically. But the way he had handled it, man, the man you are, Mr. Best you are. When she says he was being raped, basically, and the way he does handle her, the way he doesn't panic, he doesn't react, he doesn't do all this taboo stigma wala thing. Oh my god. Which made her so secure. I can still think about that. When then there are so many chances he had before also that he could have crossed lines, but he didn't cross lines because he loved her. Like when you love someone, you know what's your boundaries, what are your boundaries and stuff. And the way he adores her while she dances, oh my god. No, this gives me one of the reason why I loved it, because I am a Pride and Prejudice paglu. Like if you, oh good god, I love Pride and Prejudice. And dancing is something woo woo moment for me. That then okay, so I'm into boys and straight, but why was I crushing over two female leads, Hannah and Al? What is her name? Wait, Alice. I guess. Why did I forget? Oh, yeah. Why was I crushing over them? Men, friendships, everything was top notch. See, I'm not saying it's a great, but it is a good. Like, to be honest, after a long time, Oxford year, I guess, Oxford year only, it broke my heart, bro. But this series did heal something in me, and the way they have evolved together, the way Hannah came out of those self doubts, the way she became confident. Second, the way she handled him during the dinner when his father invited them. That like she was like double tap kind of stuff. The scene it was. Then they, like, of course they parted their ways, but later on when he comes and the way he says ki I don't want to go back, and the pointers he says, like the sentences, like I want wait the way, oh god, that is something. And friendships, the way he goes to Logan and shares why does he hate his dad and stuff. That confidence. And when Hannah also shares he whatever happened with her in high school to Ali, and she says ki yaar, I knew that you were like it happened with you. See, these are so moments which makes me still wonder why I do like Off Campus. It's been days. The moment it got released, I watched it. I binged, bro, 8 episodes, max an hour wale. They need more episodes. They need season 2 within this year, 6 months. Bro, please do anything but bring. I still can't take off my mind from the series. And to be honest, it's just in my heart. Like I love K dramas for this only. Ki it does make you feel something. It makes you feel like a human being. There are dramas filled with and stuff. See, I'm not saying they are bad, but yeah, it does do. Like why I switched to K dramas now. C dramas will get into Thai dramas also. Yeah, like it's it it just blooms me. It just make my heart feel so good when I talk about the series. And yes, of course, chaos is there. Ignore. Bye bye. And also there are points like, see, the moment he got suspended, there are like I've seen people blaming कि भाई तेरे वजह से ये हो गया, तेरे वजह से हो गया. But what he did is like he understood ki from where it is coming from. He understood the fact whether he loves hockey or not. He understood ki did my is it because of my dad that I love playing hockey, or I genuinely love it. There are so many moments when they parted their ways after he got suspended till they come back together. They have evolved very beautifully. And that's what makes me love Off Campus more. Like there are moments where you don't want to do anything, you just blame and move on, but you don't, right? You just fucking work on yourself, understand ki why it happened, what could be the reason, like why, what, when, everything. And then you heal that part. Like you just heal that part and come back to the same person and say ki bhai, I want to be someone whom you want to be with. Like he said in a very different way. I'm just paraphrasing it. Who does that? I want to be just like you. Who says that? And this makes me feel ki is this the real masculinity? Like is this the real men? Are these the is this the real definition of how a woman wants a man to be in her life? It and it's just blooms me. It just makes my heart feel beautiful, especially heard, seen, acknowledged. Whenever I think about Off Campus, I don't know. I still can. I don't know. I might get into like crying and stuff. Friendships, each and every point. Either way, he went to Logan and told stuff. Like back in that video, also I shared the same thing. They were having tough situations. Logan wanted to move out. I like वो जो रहता है parameter of money and stuff. He handled his leadership to him, and the way he progressed. Every character has some or the other development, and that makes Off Campus the best. I feel each and character developed. Even Ali, she was like, if I don't have emotional connection, how can I have with someone else? How can I just hook up with that person? Such an one of the very important underlining point in 2026 or in this era. You can't have direct, see, I don't know about other people, this is about me. When if I don't have any emotional connection with someone, how can I just go with that person? How can I can have just one night stand with them? So it has those personal factors, insecurities and everything, but the way they have ended the episode, the season, bro, come on, bring back season 2, bring back, please.